everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Today we are going to make Cornell Chicken, also known as State Fair Chicken. Very popular recipe. It was invented in the 50s by a food scientist in Cornell University in New York in an effort to get Americans to eat more chicken. It was so successful that it is now known as the State Fair Chicken. And to this day, it is the classic State Fair Chicken in New York. So let's get going. The food scientist, Dr. Baker, I believe was his name, wanted to make something tasty and memorable and a flavor that people would love. And apparently he hit it off properly. And very simple ingredients, as you can see here. The very first year that he put this out, he cooked 4,000 chickens a day. Now you can use any kind of poultry rub you want. I got some kind of chicken rub, and let's go ahead and pulse it up. Okay, you astute viewers who saw me way overload the Cuisinart don't want to know about all the mess I made with all the leakage, but we managed to control that. And so now we have the marinade. So let's go ahead and put that in with the chicken in a bag. Okay, here we go. We got the leg quarters in a bag, and you can see it is very liquidy, but it's got a mayonnaise-y consistency, and that's what we want. So we're going to put it in the fridge overnight. Okay, and here we have the Cornell chicken right off the grill over mesquite charcoal, smelling really good. Yeah, let's go ahead and plate it up and taste it. Okay, here we are. We got some coleslaw, some hot B&M baked beans, and we got the chicken. Yes, let's try the chicken. It smelled really good. Barbecuing. The marinade was a nice flavor overnight. Chicken's nice. Let's go ahead and taste it. Mrs. Rivet didn't like all that vinegar smell yesterday upon the marinade. It was pretty stout, but there's no real vinegar flavor in it today. Yeah, this marinade showcases the chicken flavor. It's not a whole lot of anything. It's good. I mean, it definitely has some flavor. Mild, inoffensive. I guess depending on the poultry seasoning you put in, you could change the flavor. But mine was middle of the road. It's nice. Salt and pepper shining through. Let's go ahead and get some more meat. I kind of like it. I tend to like really bold, spicy foods, which you can tell by my last videos. But this is amazingly mild. Center of the road. Any kids would like it. And I can see why. 1957, this was magic. To America, something completely different. Dr. Baker concocted this, invented it. I can see why it changed America's palate for meats since then. Very good. I'd recommend doing it. I don't think it's going to be a staple, but it's a very nice piece of history. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.